Guys, today we found this empty can of Sprite.
We got it out of a vending machine.
Yeah, we got it out of a vending machine. There's no holes in it. There's dents in it, though. It literally didn't come out of the vending machine until my friend Patrick, he put another Sprite down the machine, and it knocked it out with it. And
wait, actually?
Yeah, that's how it opened. And then I'm going to open it and prove it to you. Well, it's not completely empty, but it is empty. Look. See, it's not that. I'm going to dump it out, maybe?
No, don't. Drink it. That's freaking water.
It's water? It's water!
Bro, what the heck?
See?
Get this trash out of here.
Get out of here.